Okay, hello. It's been a while since I've hit you guys with a project on my YouTube channel. Today is obviously I'm hitting you guys with my 7th Android application, second Android game, and this one is going to be Galaxivade. So here are all my apps, including Galaxivade. If you're familiar with my Space Invaders projects in the past, where I developed the first version in Visual Basic.net, second version in Visual C++, this is, I wouldn't call it version 3, but this is probably the most envisioned of that project. This is Galaxivade. So, show you the credits because I usually show the credits first. Developer is me. 8-bit font I use is Tusanical. Graphics and sound, obviously Namco, and I have my special thanks and the link to my portfolio. So this is pretty much a high scoring game. The goal is to get a high score, and it's, as you can see, versus my Space Invade. You have the Galaga, you have the red butterfly guy, and then the bee, which of course I don't really know the names of these aliens in Galaga, even though I'm a weeb for Galaga, so I do apologize. So it kind of works as just like Space Invade, except it's more advanced. Obviously, it's endless waves. Every time you complete a wave, the aliens get faster, and not only that, but the missile that comes down gets faster and faster. And not only does it have 3 predetermined locations on the x-axis on the top as it starts to come down, it's random. So you gotta kind of watch out for that. So this time, instead of just a plain black background, I went with the animated one. So let's play the game. Android doesn't allow you to record system audio, so you guys are just hearing an echo wave from my speaker because I'm not using headphones to record my audio, my microphone audio. I'm using the phone microphone. So anyways, here you can change the color of your ship just like Space Invaders version 2, and I think the very first Space Invaders, so you can change it freely. This is the shoot. You can shoot 3 missiles at a time. As you see, the missiles start to come down. Same thing after 5. And then after that, the wave will end, and we'll continue to. If you notice, things are coming a little faster. So I'll complete a couple ways to show you how fast it can get. So I'll complete a couple. Alright. We're at wave 4. Wow, I suck. Oh my god. I am terrible. Yeah, I had a feeling that was gonna hit me. I thought I was gonna be able to kill him before that hit me. So, as you can see, we even have a death animation. So in this game, instead of having a couple lives, you have no lives. You only have 1 life. Now, the reason I did this was to make the game a little bit more challenging. See who can get the highest score, who's better at this, and dodging the missiles and killing the aliens in time. Especially if you come up with some patterns, such as killing the leftmost first, the rightmost first, so they don't come down as fast. Of course, it would have had there would have been more implementations I would have to make, but that's not the main reason. The main reason is to make it a little bit more challenging. So I'll play another go and see how far I can get. I got up to wave 10. better. Okay. Notice. So I should mention the default high score is 20,000, so it'll be easy to beat the first time. And they start to get much faster. KYS myself, game over myself. So there we go. That is Galaxivade. It's going to be available for download on my portfolio, Slinksoft, on the releases page. It's also going to be open sourced, hosted on GitHub. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Catch you guys in the next one.